A big day expected at the Hennepin County Government Center tomorrow as the trial for former Brooklyn Center police officer Kim Potter gets underway with opening statements.
Potter is charged in the shooting death of Daunte Wright during a traffic stop last spring. Paul Bloom is following the case for us. And so, Paul, we already know that Potter is expected to testify. Who else will take the stand as this trial begins?
Kelsey and Randy, both sides have submitted their witness list. We know Daunte Wright's parents will eventually take the stand. There will be law enforcement, use of force and training experts, and the defense intends to call a psychologist to talk about what's known as slip and capture errors, where a dominantly trained action, say an officer pulling their gun, overtakes a less practiced skill, like deploying their taser.
You're going to be on this jury. We're going to start December 8th.
Once Judge Regina Chu gavels court into session Wednesday morning, lawyers for both sides expected to lay out their cases to the jury in opening statements.
And obviously this case, involves a former police officer.
Prosecutors will argue Potter, a veteran Brooklyn Center police officer, violated or ignored her extensive training and was reckless and culpably negligent for the traffic stop shooting death of Daunte Wright, guilty of first and second degree manslaughter. We anticipate the defense will counter, explaining that Wright escalated the situation by attempting to jump back into his car to flee. And in the heat of the moment, to protect fellow officers, Potter grabbed her gun instead of her taser. An innocent and tragic mistake, but not criminal.
At this time, is it your wish to testify in this case?
At this time, I wish to testify.
Okay.
Potter herself has already said she intends to take the stand in her own defense. Beyond that, lawyers have submitted their witness lists, including the girlfriend of Daunte Wright, who was sitting next to him in the passenger seat, his mom, who was on the phone with him, as well as the former Brooklyn Center Police Chief Tim Gannon, who made the decision to publicly release Potter's body camera footage and recently sat down for an exclusive interview with Fox 9's Tom Lydon.
As I watched the video and listened to the officer's commands, it is my belief that the officer had the intention to deploy their taser, but instead shot Mr. Wright with a single bullet.
And Gannon went on to tell Lydon in that recent interview that he still believes this was an accident. And it is worth noting here, he is listed as a defense witness, having known Potter for 25 plus years. While the exact trial timeline isn't set in stone, Judge Chu did tell prospective jurors last week she really hopes to have this case wrapped up before Christmas Eve. We're live in the newsroom. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.
And Fox 9 is carrying gavel-to-gavel coverage of the trial for Kim Potter. It continues tomorrow just before 9 a.m. on fox9.com and our YouTube channel.
Just a month into